So I'm about to eat my very last meal in Canada. And it is Peking duck or barbecue duck, not Peking duck. Rice and vegetables and tofu. I like tofu. Don't know about the duck, but I do like tofu. Not keen on the soy egg. Not keen on the vegetables. Because it's not plain vegetables, it's Chinese style. It's not that nice. It's alright. It's not that nice because in Australia they don't use cabbage. They usually put broccoli in there. Oh dear, I dropped it. So I'm going to rate it about a 7 out of 10. It's okay. Not too bad. Yeah, but it is my last meal, so better enjoy it. Thanks for watching.